Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Aaron, and today I'm gonna show you my nighttime skincare routine. Obviously, my face is obviously still not the best as it is, but it was better than a couple of years ago. I had this picture I have here of my face. Yeah, it was pretty bad. I still have some scars left, so that was like over like 3-4 years ago. Yeah, I would say acne and the acne scars is probably one of my most insecure stuff that I would have on my face. But yeah, other than that, I'll show you my really simple skincare routine. So usually you always start off with a cleanser. Mine's very simple and short. I have my vitamin C collagen face cleanser with some orange oil. This is good for deep cleansing. This is very foamy as well. I would recommend if you have really sensitive skin like mine. I went through a bunch of different cleansers and I tried so many different brands like Cetaphil, CeraVe, all that crap. So I went for a lot, and then I got this, and yeah, I tried it out. It's very soft, it's very gentle, so I recommend you use that if you have very sensitive skin. I use that cleanser. I go ahead and use my Equal Berry deep serum. So this is a good Baku Choil or something like that. It's a good serum. This is good for it's like a retinol, but it's very good for also getting rid of acne scars and stuff. So I recommend this one after applying on your cleanser. So I put that on, and after that, to finish off the night, I put on some moisturizing cream. So this is from Anula. This is a Heartleaf 70 Intense Calming Cream. So I do recommend this one as well if you have a very dry skin. This is very moisturizing. This is good for daytime and nighttime, so I do recommend you get this one. I am running out of these, so I'll have to restock on these ones. I'm currently, just to save up, I'm using this Ultra Gentle Daily Moisturizing. This has got a lot of vitamins and stuff, and this is for sensitive skin. This is from Neutrogena. So this is a very good one, moisturizer. I recommend this as well. So a process I go through is just wash the face first. So with some water, I usually go with just warm water, because the warm water would actually open up your pores. If you use cold water, that would close up your pores, and if you use hot water, it'll make your face dry. So I recommend you use lukewarm water. Warm water is the best for your face, because it opens up and it kind of opens up the pores, and it's kind of ready for the cleansing to the face. So I'll quickly do that right now. Alright, just wash. I just wetted my face. Alright, so we'll go ahead with using the cleansing vitamin C collagen. So we're just not going to do too much. We just put some in here. Make sure you really get it in there. Put a little bit more for the other side. Do just a little bit more for this for the forehead, and close it. You just really work it in there. Right after you cleanse your face for a couple of seconds, probably even a minute, you can go ahead, wash your face off. So I'll do that right now. Alright, so completely washed it all off. So I'm going to go dry off my face now. Put on the serum. Make sure you completely wash it off, because you don't want to put the serum on while you have still a little bit of moisturizer, not the moisturizer, some of the cleanser on. I'll quickly dry my face out real quick. Alright, I'm back. Now it's time to put on the serum. Just make one line here like that. Nice. I just can't wait to get rid of these scars, man. They just... I had them for so long. Alright, so you're just gonna massage them in. Alright, so right after you kind of massage the serum in, I usually would wait 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to actually just sit in the face and kind of let it sit there, kind of sink it into the face before you actually moisturize. So I'll quickly wait a couple of minutes and I'll come back to you real quick. Now we'll move on to the final step, the ultra gentle daily moisturizer. And what we're gonna do is just put just a little bit on a finger, just like that. Just have a cross. Just like that. Alright, just massage it into the face. Make sure you get it in there. Alright, I just rubbed it in, moisturizer. Alright, so that's pretty much all of it. I'll actually show you all of the cleansers that I've used that actually wasn't even good. Even this one moisturizer from Cetaphil. So firstly, I'll start off with the very first cleanser I've been using. Was the Benzac wash. It's got benzoyl peroxide. It's got 50 milligrams of it. It's a moderate strength, 5% of acne. And then secondly, this tea tree face wash for acne. This one's like a weird foamy one. This is a deep cleansing action, helps prevent acne, keep skin clear. Now some products like this is actually not good. Like it's got some ingredients and stuff in it. It's got some stuff that's not really good for the face. It will make the face really kind of stingy. Moving on, I thought this one's the best, but yeah, nah, I was wrong. This one, obviously, the gentle. And this is not even gentle, this is just a Cetaphil oil skin cleanser. I actually have a gentle skin cleanser I've been using, but it did not feel effective at all. Doesn't even feel like it was even working. So even this is not even that good as well. It's not even that good. It says deeply cleanses and minimizes pores. I don't know, didn't really, work for me, I guess. And now we're moving on to this other one. Now this one here, I saw all over on TikTok and then all over social media, the Anua Heartleaf Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. So this one here, I thought it was gonna be so good. At first, I thought it was actually doing really good, but then I don't know, it's just not really working for me. So this one here is just, I don't know, it's not good. We got the same one here, but it's different. It's like the silicone gel. So this is the Heartleaf Sonic Moisture Cleansing Foam, not the deep cleansing foam. So this one here is just, it's like the gel. It's just gel cleansing foam. So it's the same thing with the other one. I don't know, it was good at first, but then it didn't really felt like it was doing much. So we got this other one here. This is the Ultra Gentle Creamy Cleanser. This is actually in a pack, just the Ultra Gentle Daily Moisturizer. Now this one here, the Gentle Creamy Cleanser, the Ultra Gentle one. I'll say yes, it is very gentle, very creamy, smooth. It does makes your skin have a very soft feeling. This is a creamy cleanser, sensitive. It cleanses and hydrates without disrupting skin's moisture barrier. So like obviously this one here it's just good for people with really sensitive skin. I think my skin is not that too sensitive, but it is a bit sensitive. So like obviously this one here is just not, didn't really work out for me. These ones, don't use them if your face is sensitive. You will absolutely get breakouts, because this says reduces impurities and parents shine. That's not anything to do with acne. So if you are using this, or even the other one here as well, this is a gentle scrub, exfoliates, refines, and smooths. So if you're using any of these two, this is for tough like skin that's not sensitive and it's got a bit of dirt and it can easily be cleaned up. I recommend use that, but if you have sensitive skin like me, don't use that. It's obviously not good. But anyway, this is the nighttime. This is just my journey. So yeah, I hope you actually enjoyed that video. Sorry if it was boring or whatnot, but if you're still here, I do appreciate that. Just please subscribe and like if you are new here. This is just like a vlog channel. I just record random stuff and whatnot. Anyway, I'll stop bothering you now. I'll let you go. You have a good one. Peace out.